So, as you might remember, honey can help solve a variety of different problems, right? That is, when it comes to larger areas, the main goal is proper drainage, correct? Drainage and stretching. Here, our goal is toning. How do we actually achieve this toning effect? Well, it's done by creating these subtle microtensions, let's say quick, tiny little micro-injuries. Over time, this gentle process helps the tissues gradually become more elastic and flexible. So the body adapts to this and, well, becomes firmer, so to speak. So, accordingly. In this case, as a result of weight loss, we have a bit of loose subcutaneous fatty tissue, so it would be good to tighten things up right here. Oh, sorry, I pinched you. So ideally, you should place it here in this area and then apply it while gently holding the skin in place with your fingers so as not to displace it too much. Holding the skin steady helps make sure the product stays where you want it and prevents it from moving around during application. This way, you can achieve a more precise and effective result.
Should I warm the honey in my hands before applying, or is it okay as is?
Well, you can, of course, but you don't have to warm it up. Whatever. It's at room temperature.
At room temperature.
If it's from the fridge, then definitely. But generally, it's better to keep it. Firstly, it'll be softer if it's at room temperature. And secondly...
How much does this honey cost?
A jar?
Well, yeah, the cost price.
How should I know? It's 480 per kilogram, I think. As for this specific jar, I just went and bought 5 kilograms of a blend yesterday, so I don't know the exact amount. Just use any honey, don't worry. So, now that it's applied... Now look, it's a big mistake to make movements like this. That's not right. Why?
Because the internal organs, they...
Yes, exactly. You are absolutely correct. The abdominal wall... Yes, that's right. That's exactly what I meant.
Abdominal resistance.
Therefore, what are our options? To target only the skin, we can stabilize the abdominal wall with a fork-like grip like this, and then proceed with these movements. See the response?
Does it hurt? I can't tell.
For now. For now. It's coming. Just you wait.
Right, there's no grip yet.
Oh, it's turning red.
I've changed my mind about the honey.
And someone was so eager this morning. There, see? This is one of the options. The second option I told you about. You can do it like this. So tangentially, you hold with one hand or like this. So you pull it away or like this.
And this is to the side, right?
Sideways.
Yes. Other options. These are already softer ones.
How much time is allocated for this? Just to achieve hyperemia, I suppose, right?
Until everything eventually turns into what we really need.
Into lumps?
Yes, absolutely, of course.
Into a waxy crust. The crust is enough for about the belly.
It all depends on the skin, of course, individually.
On the belly. Depends on whose belly. I know a belly worm and a spoonful might not be enough. Go ahead and try it because it's really delicious.
And it doesn't even run. So that's what was needed, right? Like it's candied.
Well, crystallized, but it's soft like a paste. Taste it, it's good.
When there are no taste buds on the butt.
No, well, I'm not suggesting you taste the butt.
Very tasty.
Haven't eaten this in a long time.
This is forest honey, right?
Yes. See, look, this is exactly how I roll it, see? It doesn't go like this, it goes just like this. But here I hold the wall, and from the wall, see, I roll it longer like this. The hand.
It's gathering.
Another option, if you want, and they ask directly, I want it hard. Hard. You want it, so what do we do then? Bend your legs at the knees, gently bend your knees, and then carefully lift your heels up off the table. No, completely. Legs like this. Wonderful. See, the abdominal wall is tense, and now we can get rougher. That's enough. I don't want to torture you, just to show the people. Is that clear then?
Well, there's no difference really.
Oh, really? We'll fix that. No difference, you say.
Whether it's this way or that way.
How does it feel now? See, it's already gotten a bit thicker than before, so I'm starting to do it just a little more gently now, just to make sure it feels comfortable for you.
It's fine.
We'll do it softer, don't you worry. So, we don't go over the lymph nodes here. Yes.
And does it, well, follow the lymph flow there, or?
No. Here we're lifting it up vertically.
Right.
So regarding the lymph flow, you can only follow a sequence of work. That is, we can work more on, let's say, the midline, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Right, and then just move like this slowly towards the outer periphery. See, we're rolling it like this, but without jerking. Or you can hold it, but more sharply than as if tearing off a strip.
For waxing, yeah.
And here it turns out there's no ergonomics. Well, the body here is basically...
The body isn't working, we're working with the hand. But the ergonomics here is that we don't pull from the shoulder, but push with the fingers. Because otherwise your wrist will get tired very quickly.
Oh, well, for you, it's good. Oh my god.
Look at that, what a wonderful little belly we have now.
It's actually very nice.
Yeah.
How does it feel, Anichka? Good? Do you like it?
I really don't know.
Well, her tongue is already getting tied.
Oh, it's so thick.
See how it's thickened already?
Yes, yes. And after it thickens like this, basically, how much longer do we have to torture her?
Until it stops being sticky.
Huh.
We can keep going. Sometimes we can stop earlier. It depends on the skin sensitivity. On the desired... Huh?
The skin is quite delicate.
Well, relatively, but here we have to go to the end to see what else happens.
It's delicate for these ones, for some others, you know.
No, well...
That's... Why do you think we call in models instead of using you? The students were protecting you. We feel for the students you'll be back for the course, but we can get plenty of models.
Yes, kind.
Good light-hearted medical humor.
Yeah. Like a cat's bridge of the nose.
Doctor, he says, a patient died in room 6. Don't worry so much. We have 3 more rooms of them.
Well, there it is. And I like it better that she has a massage course.
Huh?
Need to practice some more.
Look, right now here, see, it's coming off. There's no honey left. This is enough here. See, and as I go further, I'm removing the honey entirely. There. Can you see? I'm just taking the honey off now.
Don't touch the skin afterwards.
That's it?
It's just clean. Don't wipe it.
No, why are we wiping it? It's important to hold it down a bit right here. This is the area of the duodenum, the entry into the next section called the jejunum, and the ligament of Treitz is right here. So we hold it down more carefully here, and don't jerk it too sharply. You can jerk sharply with just your fingertips. If you want to be a bit more intense to dig in, you can use your fingers like this. If you feel like it, it's fine now. Like this, not fingers together, but separately. This softens it because like this is harsher, right?
A little creative.
Step. So we'll do it like this, of course. To make it more intense, so the work is more effective. So basically we can practice some more. See how?
Oh, it's tightened up.
Of course it's tightened. It even sank in.
The skin is really tightened up. I'm not just...
Are we going halfway in?
Why not? We should go here, of course.
We split it in half.
Well, sort of. All these little spots too.
And what if a person has love handles here?
Well, that's for later, in the next round. Okay, that's it. Let's move on. Now, carefully, better put the cup somewhere. Away. We're applying a hot compress. No? Applying it. There, basically, this is already almost a complete removal. So a small, simple, comfortable compress like this already almost completely removes our honey. A little bit, you see, remains.
Alexei Yuryevich, what about alternating hot and cold water as some people do?
Thermal contrast, yes, that's exactly what we're talking about here.
Yes.
Well, here simply hot water is more than enough here, actually.
And the hot water is used here.
Hot water is used here not for thermal contrast. The reason we are using hot water here is not for any other special purposes, but simply to help dissolve the honey better. You see, sugars and honey both dissolve especially well in hot water. So we are removing them at this stage, carefully. See, the belly is smooth. Notice the skin condition, see, it's become much more toned.
Yes, it's really noticeable.
Floor's faded. Sorry, I got the bikini bottoms a little dirty here.
It's okay. Some petechiae have come out just a little bit.
See, you can notice there are freckles, just a little bit, actually. These are...
Little drops.
For beauty.
Scars make a man look good, women too.
Bloody bruises make women look good.
And sometimes a black eye for behavior. Though, of course, no, I don't agree. You shouldn't hit women. If there's a reason, you should just kill them.
I'm definitely with you on that one.
No, come on, what are you saying?
Oh my goodness.
Well, you can't hit them.
Well, what about the butt?
Nah, no. If it's by prior agreement or consent, as long as that's the case.
A spanking is okay.
Wait, we're recording.
Oh my goodness.
That seems to be it, right? No, not quite. Just a little bit more here. So... Done. Done. Now it seems to be all done. Well, try stroking the skin, see how smooth it's become. And so on.
It's really great.
If anything, there's still some water here.
Guys, I'm with you in spirit.
We'll find some nasty stuff somewhere. It's clean now, right?
Thank you.
Feel it.
Right over here.
Geese flew in and pinched while the chickens pecked around. There.
Rice, and what about rice? How is it now? Everything's clean for us now, right?
Seems clean, yeah.
It's not sticky anywhere. All good.